this video, our Department of Aerospace Engineering students will learn and will explain about the case study of aircraft engines in defense section. Okay. Majorly, before we are going to this topic, what are the reason case study will be implemented, or what are the empathy phase or challenges incorporated in our defense section. From lot of surveys, we analyze the turbojet engines we are maximally using in our defense sector. But in that engine, we have some main problem is thrust produce formulation. So, in this case study, we will elaborate, discuss about how are the changes will be made in turbojet engines that will produce high amount of thrust. That means that indicates the sonic or supersonic aircraft engines. What are the aircraft or what are the type of engines you have studied in your previous classes? Turboshaft engine. Okay, fine. These engines will be classified in the region of Mach number. Do you know explain about what is about Mach number? Yes, it is the speed of the object. Here is the object is in our aerospace is aircraft and speed of the sound. This is the Mach number. We know that about the classification of Mach number will depend upon the Mach number value. The speed of aircraft engines will be classified into subsonic, transonic, sonic, supersonic and hypersonic engines. Okay. Here our case study will be implemented to the supersonic section. Okay. In what are the basic components in aircraft engines? Yes, fine. Anyone have classified into the sequence? This engines parts. What is the name of the inlet section? Diffuser. After that, what is the name of that part? Diffuser. Then one is the compressor, and the next one is combustion chamber. Here is the compressor is a type of two types. One is the centrifugal compressor, and another one is a reciprocating compressor. After the air is passes to the next section is combustion chamber. Here is the type is annular, and canted. And the next is the compressed air will pass to the turbine section. So what is the function of turbine? Yes, that will be produced power, pressurized energy into a mechanical power, and finally that will be delivered from the nozzle. The nozzle is to produce a high velocity. That is the forward force motion is thrust, and the opponent forces will be delivered from the exhaust parties and a drag. Okay. This is the simple operation procedure for gas turbine engines. From our case study point of view, we have to convert turbojet engines to the supersonic engines. So what are the parameters we have to consider? Yes, one is the inlet design. Inlet design we will previously we told about that diffuser. And the next is the outlet. Based on the size is very less, then higher amount of thrust generated. If the size of the nozzle is very high, lower thrust generated. Yes, and anyone another point will be? Yes, everything these are the important parameter points. We have to modify it from increase thrust. So at that time that will be converted, the Mach number will be in a high amount of value from sonic or subsonic to supersonic. So for that we have to analyze or we have to work on that cut section parameters method. We have to use SolidWorks or SolidEdge, any software we can use for designing the first our section part, engine section part. Comparing with the previous lot of studies or previous literatures or previous models we have collected from the other sources, then we have to modify the changes from the previous one, and then next we have to analyze the design parameters to the any analysis software. Then only we have to get the result from the what is the thrust will be having. At that time we have that on analysis part we have to analyze the what we have designed section in any other software. At that time we have to note that the parameter, what is the velocity, initial velocity we will give, and what is the material we will choose, and what is the Mach number value for input we will give. So depending on that we will get the exhaust thrust value. So this is the solution for our aerospace defense in what are the engines will be used in our defense sector. So this is the solution part. So students, you have take one assignment, or you have to take it your own interest. First designing engine parts, and then connecting the all engine parts, and you have to analyze in the any one of software. Then you will get the result. This is the solution, initial solution for recent case study on our defense sector regarding to how to increase